The free application for federal student aid, or FAFSA, is the application for grants, loans, and work-study funds provided by the federal government. It is also used by many states and schools for their financial aid programs. For the fastest and easiest way to apply, visit our official website, www.fafsa.gov. The FAFSA is available in English and Spanish. As you fill it out online, you'll be able to automatically skip questions that don't pertain to you, check out your status immediately, and get online help. It takes most people less than 30 minutes to complete the application. You'll need a few things when you fill it out, so get ready by gathering your Social Security number, your permanent resident card if you have one, any W-2 forms or records of money earned for the previous year, and your tax records. Now, if you haven't already filed your taxes, you can fill out the FAFSA with estimated tax information, but you'll have to update your information later. And if you have filed your taxes, you may be able to import your information automatically from the IRS. If you have any questions about what information to gather, there is a complete list of documents that you will need at www.fafsa.gov. Before you begin the process of filling out the FAFSA, you should create a personal identification number called the Federal Student Aid PIN that will act as your electronic signature. You'll only need to create a PIN once, and you can use it to renew your FAFSA each year that you apply. Your parents will need a PIN too if they have to provide any information. So now you're ready to begin filling out the FAFSA to apply for financial aid. There are 3 groups of questions that include personal information such as your name, address, and marital status, financial information such as your income, and any parent information that is required. If you get hung up or confused about a question, the Help and Hints box on the right-hand side of the application can help with each question as you move along. Also, look for the online chat feature under Help if you would like assistance from a knowledgeable agent. Because colleges and career schools use the FAFSA to provide financial aid, you can list up to 10 schools that you are interested in attending. You should list all of the schools that you are considering, even if you haven't been accepted or applied yet. If you have more than 10 schools in mind, you could submit your FAFSA with 10 schools and then add more later. When you finish filling out the FAFSA, use your PIN to sign the form. If you are required to submit parental information on your FAFSA, a parent will need to sign the application with his or her own PIN as well. If you have questions or need more information, please visit studentaid.gov.